Welcome back to our channel, where we explore various ways to make money online. In today's video, we'll be discussing how you can make money on Pinterest. Pinterest is not only a popular social media platform but also a powerful tool for generating income. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of Pinterest monetization, let's get started. Before we jump into the different methods of making money on Pinterest, it's important to understand how the platform works. Pinterest is primarily a visual search engine, where users discover and save ideas by pinning images and videos onto virtual boards. With over 450 million monthly active users, Pinterest offers tremendous potential for reaching a large audience. Now, let's explore some strategies to monetize this potential. Affiliate marketing. One of the most popular ways to make money on Pinterest is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or action generated through your affiliate links. To get started, sign up for an affiliate program that aligns with your niche. Create eye-catching pins that showcase the product or service, and include your affiliate link in the pin description. Drive traffic to your pins by optimizing keywords and utilizing relevant boards and group boards. Selling your own products. If you have your own products or services to sell, Pinterest can be an excellent platform for showcasing and promoting them. Create visually appealing pins that highlight the features and benefits of your products. Optimize your pin descriptions with keywords and link them to your product listings or website. Utilize rich pins, which provide additional details about your products directly on the pin. Engage with your audience by regularly pinning fresh content and collaborating with influencers to expand your reach. Blogging and content creation. Pinterest is a goldmine for driving traffic to your blog or website. If you're passionate about a particular topic, consider starting a blog or creating valuable content that aligns with popular Pinterest trends. Write informative blog posts, create engaging videos, or design captivating infographics. Optimize your content for Pinterest by creating vertical images with catchy titles and descriptions. Pin these visuals to relevant boards, group boards, and community boards to attract a larger audience to your blog or website. Pinterest management services. Many businesses and individuals struggle to manage their Pinterest presence effectively. If you have a good understanding of Pinterest and its best practices, you can offer your services as a Pinterest manager or consultant. Help clients grow their Pinterest following, curate engaging content, and optimize their profiles. You can charge a monthly retainer fee or offer one-time consultations to assist clients in achieving their Pinterest marketing goals. Create and sell printables. Another way to monetize Pinterest is by creating and selling printables. These can range from planners and calendars to wall art and educational resources. Design attractive printable templates using tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Create pins that showcase these printables and link them to your online store or platform where customers can purchase them. Utilize relevant keywords in your pin descriptions to maximize visibility. Sponsored pins. One way to monetize your Pinterest account is by partnering with brands for sponsored pins. This involves collaborating with companies that are willing to pay you to promote their products or services on your Pinterest boards. To attract sponsors, build a strong and engaged following on Pinterest. Create high-quality, visually appealing pins that align with the brand's image and target audience. Reach out to relevant brands or join influencer networks to find sponsored pin opportunities and negotiate compensation for your promotions. Pinterest ads. Pinterest ads is an advertising platform that allows you to create and run paid campaigns to reach a wider audience. This method requires an investment, but it can be highly effective in driving traffic and sales. Set up a Pinterest ads account, define your target audience, and create compelling ad visuals and copy. Use Pinterest's targeting options to reach users who are likely to be interested in your products or services. Monitor your campaigns closely, optimize for better performance, and track your return on investment (ROI) to ensure profitability. Freelance graphic design. If you have graphic design skills, Pinterest can be a lucrative platform for offering freelance design services. Create visually stunning pins that showcase your design abilities and offer design packages or custom design work. Promote your services on Pinterest by joining relevant group boards, participating in design-related communities, and engaging with potential clients. Provide examples of your work and a clear description of your services to attract clients who are looking for quality design work. Create and sell ebooks or courses. If you have specialized knowledge or expertise in a particular area, consider creating and selling ebooks or online courses on Pinterest. Identify a topic that is in demand and aligns with your expertise. Create visually appealing pins that highlight the benefits of your ebook or course and link them to your sales page or landing page. Optimize your pins for relevant keywords and utilize group boards and community boards to expand your reach. Provide valuable content that helps your audience solve a problem or achieve a desired outcome, and promote your ebook or course consistently. Pinterest Virtual Assistant. Many businesses and content creators need assistance with managing their Pinterest accounts effectively. If you're well-versed in Pinterest strategies and best practices, you can offer your services as a Pinterest virtual assistant. Help clients with tasks such as pin scheduling, content curation, keyword optimization, and analytics tracking. Promote your services on Pinterest, join virtual assistant communities or job boards, and establish a strong online presence. Provide testimonials or case studies to showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. As you can see, Pinterest offers various avenues for making money online. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, selling your own products, content creation, Pinterest management, or selling printables, remember to be consistent and provide value to your audience. Utilize keywords, eye-catching visuals, and engaging descriptions to attract users to your pins. With dedication and creativity, you can leverage the power of Pinterest to generate a substantial income. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.